Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I want to talk about this stylist character which I created. I start with modeling the face. First of all, because our main focus is the face. So I'm trying to block out face with, basic modeling and applying the modifiers. As you can see here, I only added the subdivision surface and the bevel modifier. You can follow along my steps. I just make it 3 times faster in the post-processing. So if you can slow down in the YouTube, you can find the original speed. So I finish the base of the face and now I'm trying to model the hat. So here I did a mistake. Actually, I realized after finishing the modeling part, you should not be doing that. First extrude the upper part and then come to the lower part, otherwise you will face the same mistake with me. As you can see here, we doubled our vertices, so I have to migrate all the doubles here, so or you fix the topology. And the last part of the hat, this little ears. As you can see here, it is the same technique as I used the other 2 elements, using the basic shapes and then adding the modifiers and the bevel. As you can see here, I am just following my reference image. You have to find a reference image to follow. So in here, as you can see, I'm making straight lines, which is a bit bended because I scaled down. So roughly I'm creating the shape of the hair. And then I'm applying the mean bevel crease to the edges, but not the bottom edge, just for the sides. And basically the hair is like this. You just have to follow your reference image. And as you can see here, I have other image style in the sides. And yeah, basically I followed the shape and created the hair. So after showing my torso to you guys, I duplicate it, and then I just making a little bit bigger to model jacket and the yellow part for the inside. I am creating the jacket details, nothing fancy. I'm just following my reference image, you know, using solidify modifier and the shaping it. And now the outline is done, and I am adding some details, starting with the nose. Again, only create a circle, and I just, you know, scale it, and then after the scale I just created a bevel and give a subdivision surface. After that, I started to modeling the eyes with these are the shape of X. So basically I created a rectangle, added some bevel to the edges, add a shrink wrap modifier to you know, and after the finishing one side, I basically mirrored the I'm just following my reference and mirroring the mount. I'm only modeling the one side, and the other side will be created automatically. After this part, after the arranging according to your wish, add some solidify and subdivision surface modifier. So in this part, I'm starting to create materials, and first of all I'm creating the blank materials with name on it, and then I will start one by one going through it. Yeah, in this part I'm I'm arranging my render settings to see realistic results on my render. So first I'm starting with the basic materials, just playing with the color. So after finishing the basic materials, I'm playing with the principal BSDF and some small adjustments. So it is already a stylish character, so I don't need to that much worry about the materials. I just wanted to look good on the camera. So in this part, I'm trying to create pink cheeks for our character. I created a texture which our character's skin color and started to paint it and try to find best impact on the render. I'm going back and forth in the render view. So after like the result on the texture painting, I'm giving the names of each layer because I will duplicate the same object more than maybe 20 times. So as you can see here, our character is done now. In the last part, I showed my layout. Camera is on the side and very sharp, and I guess it's 100mm. It's a close-up shot and very high focal length, around 0.7 or 0.9. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you watch until here, please subscribe and like.